What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on BBIG stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news, and I have to admit I was wrong when I made my previous video, and I will show you what was my fault. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that we passed the record date of BBIG spin-off, and it was the May 18th date. And I have to say that because of T+2 rule, I expected this movement to the upside to happen 2 days before May 18th. And it happened 2 days after, and this was the reason of my concerns about this stock. But in general, I nailed the entry point right here at roughly $2.4 mark, because I drew this line, I connect these bottoms, and I projected that we might hit the range of support, this line, and we might have next leg to the upside to hit higher targets from the range of 0.32 all the way through 0.5 and to the golden pocket pattern. And as you can see, we nailed all of these targets, and depending on your entry point and depending on your exit points, you might be up from 25.7% all the way up to 43%. Definitely very good movement. But then I've told you that we won't see any massive price action because we already passed the record date. And right here, my main intention was that we should land somewhere lower. We should retest all the supports. And I have to say that we have a major breakout below the range of $2.79. We have basically this huge sell-off. And this sell-off was made by the recent news. And I will show you what was this news about. So let's continue with the data. First of all, let me remind you that the record date was set on May 18th and the distribution date was set on May 27th. And usually, when you hold the stock on record day, you don't need to hold the stock until the distribution date. And it is quite obvious because we don't have any mentions about this action, whether you need to hold the BBIG stock until May 27th or not. And definitely I made my video about this information, and I've told you that most likely we will see the massive sell-off right after the May 16th. It was a T+2 rule applied to its record date on May 18th. And I have to say that I was wrong. And I made a video about this tweet that was made by Johnny Love, and he stated right here: T+2 rule settlement, May 27th, last day to buy BBIG and receive tide. It is not the last day to buy BBIG stock, it was the last day to hold BBIG stock if you hold this stock on May 16th. And definitely he was wrong as well, and I also was wrong, but I used to rely on official documents, and we didn't have any official statements on this press release that you should hold these stocks. And let me show you the latest information directly related to this spin-off. And on May 25th we have this press release that is titled Vinco Ventures delays CRYPTYDE spin-off distribution date. And let me quote you this: Vinco Ventures today announced that due to contractual and regulatory conditions, the company's board of directors has decided to delay the distribution date for previously announced spin-off of CRYPTYDE Incorporation. And I have to say that because of this news, we had this massive sell-off for more than 15% during just one session, and definitely it was not the best news from the fundamental standpoint for BBIG holders. And let me quote you further information. The company currently expects the distribution date for the CRYPTYDE spin-off to occur on or about the end of the second quarter of 2022, subject to certain contractual and regulatory conditions being met or waived. And here is a very important paragraph. For clarification regarding the record date and distribution date at it releases to CRYPTYDE dividend, each Vinco Ventures stockholder of record on the record date will receive 1 share of CRYPTYDE common stock for every 10 shares of Vinco common stock held through the distribution date. However, if a stockholder sells shares of Vinco common stock after the record date, they will not receive the CRYPTYDE dividend. Only holders of shares of Vinco common stock on the distribution date that were outstanding on the record date will be entitled to receive the CRYPTYDE dividend. And this means, let me show you this on the price chart, you should hold the BBIG stock from May 16th, because it is May 18th with applied T+2 rule, till the date when we will have the distribution date. And for now we don't have this date. We have just the period from May 16th till the end of June, because the Q2 2022 will end at the very end of June, basically on June the 30th. And we have about 45 days if you want to receive the CRYPTYDE shares. If these shares will be delivered by this date, you should hold the BBIG stock at least 45 days from the May 16th date. And definitely it is not the best news, because previously we already had this announcement that CRYPTYDE spin-off is delayed, and it was made at the very end of September 2021, and because of this we had this massive sell-off. And BBIG lost a significant amount of its value, more than 64% from these levels. Definitely it is not the best sign as well. And on one of my previous videos I've told you all the potential risks that they disclosed in their SEC filing, and you can watch this video in my BBIG playlist, and then you can find this information. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's switch to hourly time frame and let me show you the latest movements in details. As you can see, we had this range of support, and it worked perfectly well. But for now, if I make this line a little bit longer, we broke this range and basically we broke it twice. First of all, we broke it to the downside, and for now we broke it to the upside and retesting this range as a support. I don't think that it is the relevant range of support and resistance. And I have to say that if you want to enter your position right now, and if you didn't hold the BBIG stock on May 16th, you won't receive the CRYPTYDE stock. And definitely for now, for you, it is just an ordinary company that won't give you dividends if you want to just enter your position right here. And what should you do from the technical standpoint? I have to say that we are about to see some kind of hawkish movements from Federal Reserve, because on Friday we had the news that probably we will see even more interest rate hikes right after July's 0.5%, and probably these interest rate hikes will be again 0.5%. And definitely this implies more volatility on the markets, and this implies more bearish pressure on the assets as well. That's why, in my opinion, this week we'll start with the red days, and definitely because of this news we might see lower price action for the BBIG as well. And what are the main support lines right now? We didn't retest the $2.19 and $2.02. Basically, it is the range of about $2 right here. And this means we might retest these ranges if we will go south in upcoming sessions. Definitely, these ranges might be the potential for you to enter your short-term swing trade positions with the tight stop losses. But in my opinion, I think I will do another update somewhere on Wednesday or Thursday, and I will do a forecast for upcoming price action, because in a matter of couple of days I will see a more price action for this asset, and probably I will have more pivotal points, and these points might be crucial for this asset. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag.